Think you're brushing your teeth the right way? Well, studies show that over 80% of people are actually doing it wrong. And the worst part? These mistakes could be weakening your enamel, irritating your gums, and even causing long-term damage to your smile, all without you knowing. In this video, we're breaking down 5 common signs you're brushing the wrong way and how to fix them fast. Stick around till the end because number 5 is the one mistake almost everyone makes every day. Let's get into it. Sign 1. Your gums bleed when you brush. If you see blood after brushing, don't ignore it. It's not just normal. Bleeding gums usually mean you're either brushing too aggressively or you've developed gum inflammation, possibly early gum disease. Fix it. Use gentle circular motions and a soft bristled brush. Think massage, not scrubbing. If the bleeding continues, see a dentist. It might be gingivitis. 2. You brush immediately after eating. Right after eating, especially acidic foods like citrus or soda, your enamel is slightly softened. Brushing immediately can actually scrub that weakened enamel away. Fix it. Wait at least 30 minutes after meals before brushing. In the meantime, rinse your mouth with water to help neutralize the acids. Sign 3. You're using the wrong toothbrush. Hard bristles might feel more effective, but they're doing more harm than good. They can erode enamel and cause gum recession over time. Fix it. Go for a soft bristled brush and replace it every 3 months. Bonus tip: electric toothbrushes help control pressure for you. Sign 4. You rush through it. Brushing for just 30 seconds? That's like washing only one side of your face. You need 2 full minutes to clean every corner of your mouth properly. Fix it. Set a timer or play your favorite short song while brushing. Don't forget the back molars. They're plaque's favorite hideout. Sign 5. You skip your tongue and gum line. Your tongue holds a lot of bacteria, the kind that causes bad breath. And if you skip your gum line, plaque hides there and can harden into tartar. Fix it. Brush your tongue gently every time and tilt your brush slightly to clean along the gum line. If you like the video, subscribe our channel